parte de acá es nueva.
Sí, nunca la habíamos visto. Están bien bonitos, bien hechos los bichos estos.
Sí. O sea que esos dientes, imagínate, lo que cogieran lo rompían.
Sí.
Scrubs, a gown, mask, cap, wear during the operation. You get them from the locker room. When you're done with the operation, keep the mask and the cap, but please return the gown to the locker room. Now, if you have your scrubs on, there's only one more thing you need to do before entering the operating room. It's what I do before every surgery. You must clean and scrub your hands so you don't spread any germs to our patient. First, you put the gel all over your hands. It will show you where germs can be found. Welcome to the doctor's lounge. This is your last stop before entering the operating room. Patient is prepped and ready. You have your operating scrubs on?
So wet.
Scrubs are the gown, the mask, the cap wear during the operation. Get them from the lab. The operation.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? This is the final call for the Supersonic Express train. If you're holding tickets, please go to the depot at this time. You may exit through the red double doors at the Climbing Bays Waterworks area or the glass doors in the Saints Works area beside the ambulance. The next train ride will be at 3 o'clock.